Good morning, ladies. I didn't want you to wait on this piece of information in case you were already working on your class. So one of the things that we found out last week, right, was that some of these are either disabled, right, if you've downloaded the template from the college. So I just wanted to show you that here in navigation, so you go to settings and then you go to navigation. The tutorial that we did last week when it came down to adding the zoom. So this Confer Zoom is now added on here. And if you see on here, it says that these are all disabled. So all of this is disabled on here, which means that we can't use it, right? But when we move it up in here, and you can do where exactly it is that you would like for it to be. So for example, I have it under announcements. It is now visible, and as you can see, it comes over here. Then I'm going to click save so that it stays on here. And so when I come into my class, I just click on Confer Zoom, and so everything's already in there, and I just schedule my appointment, and it's easy peasy, and then you click save on here. So go ahead and try that out and let me know if it all works out for you, okay? Send me an email and let me know.